Well, we had a really nice night here. It was extremely quiet out here. But come this morning, we got the sun up here and it is just a beautiful day. It's actually forecast to rain today, but apparently that has changed. And this dirt road here that we're camped near is heavily trafficked during the day with people rafting. Big trucks with trailers with rafts stacked up. So there must be access to the Kennebec down here. We're just really enjoying being back out here boondocking. It's a great free little overnight spot. There's no cell service out here, and we have our COVID test pending, so we need to get back in range and see if we've got any updates on that. Do a little research on hopefully find somewhere to do some hiking today, and then we need to find another place to camp tonight, probably a little north of here. So that is the plan. We're going to get up here and get rolling. Well, it looks like we got a beautiful day ahead of us. Temps are supposed to be in the low 70s. It is a little humid. Summer is not over yet. Away we go. All right, well, our test results are in, so we're gonna move on. We've been hanging out at this little rest area, watching the kids jump off the bridge into the river. Pretty nice little spot. A lot of rafters going by. So we're gonna go try to find another camp, try to find a new spot, and then in the morning we'll get up and head towards the border crossing. Wow, it is pretty out here. Did see this bridge on the map. I think just past this we can make a left. There should be some more spots. Wow, pretty little stream. Sneak in here, see if we can find something. Ooh, yeah. This bridge has issues here. I don't think it's wise to go over that. Yeah, that's broken out. I don't trust that. Last thing I need. Break through a bridge. It looks like people drive over it, but we got heavy vehicles. I don't want to risk it. Kelly's gonna go explore that other road. I think that just goes right down to the water. Well, this looks like a nice little spot. Of course, they do have the little yellow sign like they do in these private logging company owned spots. Fire permit site, fire permit only, fire here by permit only. Enjoy your stay on this private land, put out campfire before leaving, carry out all litter, get your fire permit online, and it is just a nice little camp. Nice big fire pit here. Nice to be by water again. We were by a little stream last night. And that's just a short walk across the road here. All these trees are changing color, so pretty. A beautiful stream. Gosh, look at this maple here. That is picturesque right there. Get situated here. Get my windows opened up. Still a little warm. We did get some rain today. It was nice and clear, sunny, the low 70s. Still feel that humidity. Get some fresh air going in here. Turn on the fan. Nice. I've been working on a few little projects in the van here. I added 2 more shelves in my front area, which I've been meaning to do for a long time. I've still got to rework some things and add a couple more. Downsize quite a few totes, but I'm going to try to get rid of 1 more before I build the remaining shelves. And just some little things. I added some eyelets here so I can put a bungee to keep my guitar standing up here next to my bike so it doesn't topple over. What else? Oh, I feel like I had some other things going, but anyway. Oh, I added this little light up here. Little bedside reading light, which is nice. It's got a USB charging port on the side of it too. Yeah, just trying to dial in the little details here to just make it more comfortable. So anyway, we're going to sign off for a little bit, just see what we can do for dinner. Okay, tonight we're going to do a little chicken pad thai. We're going to use our leftover chicken that we cooked up for dinner last night. I think we'll go in with a little carrots, maybe just a little bit of the green onions. Oh, that's going to be good. Kookity coo. Is that what a rooster says in German? And rice noodles. A little sticky, but spice level up.
Oh yeah, I like the spice.
We do not have the crushed peanuts, but we saved a little bit of green onion and raw carrot over here for a garnish and a little crunch.
You don't have the lime either.
No lime either. A little bit of the green onions, some of the raw carrot. We'll call that good. Got the table set up tonight. Get Kelly served up. It's time to grub.
Delicious.
It's good. Could have cooked the noodles a little longer. They're a little chewy, but good. Spice level on a 1 to 5, probably about a 2.5, maybe 3. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
Alright, well, we're waking up to a nice cool morning this morning. We're getting ready to roll up to the border crossing going into Canada near Jackman and Armstrong. I think it's the Jackman-Armstrong border crossing into Canada. So prior to this, before leaving my family's place in Maine, while I was visiting there, I did try to downsize and get rid of quite a bit of stuff and clutter. That's always been my worry if I do any border crossings or anything, that if they did need to go through my stuff, it would be a major pain in the butt. So I'm feeling better about the clutter, although I still do have a lot of stuff in this van. We're going to go ahead and roll out of here. This was an awesome little overnight spot. Kelly's getting organized here and ready to go. It was very quiet here. Just the sound of the stream rolling by. But it is time to move on. So we will be hopefully in Canada this afternoon. We'll see how it goes. The adventure continues. Okay, it is time to move on. This was a great little free camp. Absolutely no cell service out here for quite a few miles. But sometimes that's really nice. Okay, I believe we got about 40 miles into the town of Jackman, Maine. And we're gonna stop, get one last fuel up. Gas is going to be a little bit more expensive once we're in Canada, so we'll top off the tanks, and hopefully we'll be in cell range, do our last little bit of research, make sure all of our documents are in order, and it will be time for the border crossing.
Is your camera turned off?
I'll turn it off, yep.
Yeah.
Okay, we are legally authorized to be visiting Canada. That was quite an ordeal. It took about an hour and 40 minutes. They really didn't go through my van much. They took quite a bit of stuff out of Kelly's. The big concern was that we have basically our whole lives in our vans, and they're really concerned that we're here to work illegally. They really needed some reason to believe otherwise. So Kelly had confirmation of her sugar beet harvest job, and really for me, YouTube saved me. I didn't really have anything confirmed yet, or any way to show that I have a job my next job lined up. So I gave him the YouTube channel. He sat down on a computer and checked it out without me around, and came back, and one of the women officers saw the number of subscribers, and she knew a little bit about YouTube, and that was a source of income for me. So that was reassuring for them. And then I have an appointment in South Dakota to get my motorcycle endorsement on my license in South Dakota. I did have that email for the rider training course on my phone, so that helped as well. So they gave us till October 10th. They gave me an official form that I need to turn in on the way out, and if I do not exit by October 10th, there will be a warrant put out for my arrest. And he did say that because we went all through this now, that in the future, if I were to come back to Canada, it would probably be a lot easier because they keep all of this on record. And I was just very compliant and understanding of their concerns. So overall, I feel like it was a good experience, and I'm real excited to be in Canada right now. This is really cool. We're here. Away we go in Canada.